So now coming in after we have allowed this a nice amount of time to dry, right, we're going to get rid of this. Now this is a Flurry model sanding stick. You can, Albion Alloys does them, Ammo does a nice one. It's the canopy polishing ones that kind of like you buff up your canopies. We're using the green side just here. It's got a little tiny minute bit of grit to it. And what we want to do is just sort of sand away at these little steps. Now what you've got to kind of bear in mind when doing this, right, is if it's not sanding nicely, right, that potentially means you haven't left your paint long enough time to dry, right? And hopefully what you're seeing here is just that little bit there. You can see the black's coming through, so we're sanding away our grey that we sprayed on top, and now we're just nicely sanding away at that black paint, right? And you can see the shape of where it's sort of kind of pulled up and beaded up, and it's kind of made a raise, and that's what we're basically getting rid of just there, right? You just want to keep this sanding stick, just, you know, keep it nice and light, just keep slowly going at it, because what we don't want to do is, you know, kind of sand at it so much that it sands too deep too fast, and then you end up with like sort of like a sanding sort of recess in there in the paintwork. You want to keep the paintwork nice, blended and smooth, right? So having the right sanding stick is absolutely crucial, right? Now I know this is a bit of a pain, right, and I'll just speed things up now, but once you've done that, you'll start to see that, yes, you know, we're down to the black. You can feel it, it's starting to feel smooth. Maybe just get it up into the light and sort of rotate it, just so as you can sort of see that the raised bits have gone. Once that's done, I do recommend you know, a little bit of cleaning, sort of. I mean, I'd normally use a toothbrush, but because we're at the spray stage, I'm going to come in with like this nice big paintbrush and sort of try and get all the dusty sanding dust out of all the recesses, so we don't fill them in, get it sort of nice and cleaned up, and then basically it's just a case of repeating the whole spraying process. So basically kind of done it, but I've got to go back and do it a little bit more. I'll just show you what I've got so far. I've just sprayed that on. Hopefully you can see we had that big sort of blob there. The steps in that have gone. There was another one just there. The steps have gone, but I haven't quite got that one just right. You can still see, as you can see just there, there's like still a step in it, so I'm gonna have to go back again. So let that dry. You know, it's something I've got to do, right? But let's move on where we got to, was doing our pre-shading. Now as you can see, the pre-shading is still coming through. Might be a little bit hard to see on camera depending what light you're in.